Welcome to U.S. Citizenship for Immigrants.
Becoming a United States citizen is a proud and life-changing achievement. In this video, we'll guide you through the key general requirements for naturalization in 2025, as outlined by the USCIS. Let's begin. 1. Age requirement. To apply for U.S. citizenship, you must be at least 18 years old. This ensures that applicants are legally responsible and capable of fulfilling all the duties and obligations that come with citizenship. 2. Lawful permanent resident or green card holder. You must already be a lawful permanent resident, also known as a green card holder. This proves that you have established legal residency in the United States and plan to make it your permanent home. 3. Continuous residence. You must have lived continuously in the U.S. as a permanent resident for 5 years, or 3 years if you are married to a U.S. citizen. Long absences, especially trips longer than 6 months, can break this continuous residence and delay your eligibility. 4. Physical presence. You also need to show physical presence, meaning that you've spent at least half of your required residence time physically living inside the United States. For example, that's about 30 months out of 5 years. 5. Residence in a state or USCIS district. Before applying, you must have lived for at least 3 months or 90 days in the state or USCIS district where you plan to file your application. This ensures your application is processed in the correct location. 6. Good moral character. USCIS requires applicants to show good moral character during the required period, usually the past 5 years. This means obeying the law, paying taxes, being honest in your application, and showing responsibility in your personal life. For men ages 18 to 26, make sure you have registered for the Selective Service. 7. English language requirement. Applicants must be able to read, write, and speak basic English. A USCIS officer will test this during your interview. However, certain older applicants or those with specific disabilities may qualify for an exemption. 8. Knowledge of U.S. history and government. You must pass a civics test on U.S. history and government. Starting October 20, 2025, the updated version of the test will include 128 study questions. During your interview, you'll be asked up to 20 questions, and you must answer 12 correctly to pass. USCIS provides official study materials to help you prepare. We also provide a wide range of online study guide videos and practice tests to help you memorize the 128 civics questions and answers. 9. Attachment to the U.S. Constitution. You must show your attachment to the principles of the U.S. Constitution, which means respecting America's democratic system, its laws, and its freedoms. This includes being willing to fulfill civic duties such as voting and jury service. 10. Oath of allegiance. The final step is taking the oath of allegiance. In this ceremony, you officially pledge loyalty to the United States, promise to support and defend the Constitution, and renounce any prior allegiance to another country. Once you take the oath, you are a U.S. citizen.